Hi there, this is Chris, your warranty claim assistant from Warranty Valet. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on filing a warranty claim for your Ozark Trail product. Even top-quality products can face hiccups, but our warranty guide simplifies the process. Visit our website for clear, 3-step instructions to file a warranty claim with Ozark Trail. We've provided essential contact details, including the phone number 833-908-2025, which is available 7 days a week from 8:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. EST. Additionally, the contact address is also available. You can find these details below in Step 3. Since Ozark Trail doesn't require product registration, your next step is to visit Walmart's website to initiate your warranty claim, www.walmart.com. Scroll down the page to explore more options or to find contact details for Walmart. Click the Chat with Us button to start a live chat. Enter your email, and a live agent will assist you. They may request details such as your order number, TC number on the receipt, name, and contact information. Walmart allows returns or replacements within 90 days, so be sure to keep the original packaging and receipt, invoice. As we finish up, don't hesitate to reach out to us through the Warranty Valet website for any warranty-related support. We're always happy to help.